Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to check and reply messages on Indeed. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is head to a browser and visit indeed.com. Alright, so once you are on the website, you have to log into your account. Right, so once you're logged in, you'll be able to see this profile icon right here at the top. Click on that and click on profile. All right, so from the top area, you're going to see the message icon. Click on the message icon. All right, so once you click on that, here you're going to find all your messages, and also you can reply to your messages from here. Right, so also if you click on this drop down icon, you'll be able to see your archived messages and also your spam messages. Right, so that's it. Right, so these are you can actually check and reply messages on Indeed. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.